Hi, welcome to Smart Life Hub. Picture this. You are at the airport, frantically digging through your bag. All of a sudden, you are like, ugh, I knew I forgot something. Travel headaches are the worst. But what if I told you these 7 smart, life-simplifying items will make trips 10x easier? You wouldn't leave home without them. These aren't just nice-to-haves, they're absolute must-haves. Stick around, item number 5 will save you from every traveler's worst nightmare. Imagine a scenario of these relatable travel frustrations: lost luggage, dead phone, tangled wires, etc. We've all been there. These 7 items are your secret weapons. Item number 7 is the multi-port USB charger. No more fighting for outlets at the airport. Airport outlets are like Hunger Games. And you need this lifesaver. Meet the multi-port USB charger that'll make you a hero. No waiting, no fights, just power. Next, imagine the meltdown of how is my suitcase already full? Airlines are getting sneakier with baggage fees. But here's how to manage the situation. At number 6, we have the compression packing cubes. These aren't your mom's typical Ziplocs. Fit 2x more clothes, bye-bye overage fees. 1 checked bag fee pays for these cubes for life. Math wins. Pro tip, roll clothes first, then compress for max space. Next, at number 5 is yet another lifesaver. Number 5, portable door alarm. Sleep safer in sketchy hotels. This costs less than coffee. Never travel without this lifesaver. Meet your new bodyguard. Just clip it on any door. If someone tries to enter, this thing screams at 120 dB. Neighbors will hear. Security will come. And you? You'll sleep like a baby. At number 4, we have yet another life simplifier, the foldable water bottle. TSA-friendly and saves your dollars on airport water. Need space? Smush it. Thirsty? Unfold and fill. 1 million plastic bottles are bought per minute. Be the hero who packs this eco-friendly item. Speaking of friendly, be a good friend and subscribe, like, and hit that bell so you are notified whenever we post videos like this one. Next is an item that helps you stay powered safely on your travels. At number 3 is the universal adapter with surge protection. Stay powered safely worldwide. With a universal adapter, 5 USB ports plus surge protection is a traveler's dream, compatible in 150 plus countries. No more fried devices. And for number 2, we have the noise-canceling earbuds. Block out noise and get premium sound with just 1 tap. Perfect for travel, work, and everything in between. For some, active noise cancellation removes up to 2x more background noise. Transparency mode lets you hear the world around you, and adaptive audio seamlessly blends active noise cancellation and transparency mode for the best listening experience in any environment. And lastly, our final smart travel item on this list. But before we do, subscribe, like, and hit that bell so you are notified of new videos. We have also left some links in the description for a curated list of some of the items on the list. Feel free to check them out. And now for our last smart travel item, we have the hidden RFID wallet. Stop pickpockets before they even try. No more digital pickpockets scanning your credit cards through your jeans. So, which of these are you grabbing first? Which item can you go without on your travels? Drop a comment below, and thank you for watching.